I'm down 229 pounds and I have to show you how to make this peanut butter cheesecake protein pudding. So babe, let's get to it. I'm gonna use a cake batter protein shake, but if you don't have the cake batter, you can opt for vanilla instead of the cake batter if you would prefer. 2 tablespoons PB2 powder, just because the calories are lower, but if you want to use regular peanut butter, babe, you do you. 2 tablespoons sugar-free cheesecake pudding mix. Make sure it says instant. You know the drill by now. We'll start with 2 tablespoons. If we need to add more, we will. We'll see how she thickens. Mixy mix, babes. Still seems a little thin to me, but I'm gonna try it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in a pretty little dish. Usually I put it in the fridge for like 1 to 2 hours, but I'm headed off to work right now. So we'll check on it when I get home from work, and I bet she's all thick and juicy, babe. All right, I just got home from work, so let's check it out. It's set up, it got thick. Now to top it. So I've got these peanut butter baking chips from Chalk Zero. They're sugar-free. Obviously, you can tell I'm obsessed with them because the bag's gone. And they sent me these graciously, and I need to get more, but I'm afraid I'm gonna eat the whole bag again, or maybe I had 2 bags. You'll never know. My secret. Okay, so I'm gonna put these on top. Some Ready Whip, obviously. Beautiful. One for good measure, always. Taste test, shall we? I am so excited for this one. Gorgeous. Oh, phenomenal.